everyone, and welcome to Learn Arabic in the Levantine dialect. In this video, you're going to learn how to conjugate verbs in the present tense. We have previously covered two irregular verbs, verb to want and verb to have. You can check those videos out if you like. In this video, we're going to cover the present tense, and the patterns you're going to see here can be applied to most verbs. We're going to discuss two forms of conjugation that are used in Levantine Arabic. We will look at the conjugation of verbs with three consonants, verbs that end in a vowel, and verbs that end with a stressed letter. We will look at example phrases after each verb, and I'll give you examples on other verbs that conjugate similarly. But before we jump in, please make sure you subscribe so I can keep bringing you more videos. We're going to start with the verb to write, كتب, يكتب. The root of this verb is composed of three consonants, and it conjugates like this. I write, أنا أكتب. You write, singular masculine, أنت تكتب. You write, singular feminine, أنتِ تكتبي. She writes, هي تكتب. He writes, هو يكتب. We write, نحن نكتب. You write, أنتوا تكتبوا. They write, هم يكتبوا. One more time. أنا أكتب, أنت تكتب, أنتِ تكتبي, هي تكتب, هو يكتب, نحن نكتب, أنتوا تكتبوا, هم يكتبوا. Now, oftentimes in Levantine Arabic, we conjugate verbs using the prefix ba, or the letter ba as a prefix. So the verbs become like this. أنا بكتب, أنت بتكتب, أنتِ بتكتبي, هي بتكتب, هو بكتب, نحن منكتب, أنتوا بتكتبوا, هم بكتبوا. The most common conjugation is using the ba, but if we have two verbs in the same sentence, only the first verb will take the ba, and the second verb will be conjugated without it. Also, the pronouns here are only for reference, because most of the time when we speak, we do not use them. If we are adding them, we add them only for emphasis, because the conjugation of the verb itself will tell us who the subject is. Now let's look at some example phrases. I want to write a letter. بدي أكتب رسالة. بدي أكتب رسالة. أكتب here is the second verb. We have the verb بدي, so it is conjugated without the ba. Muna writes nice poems. Muna بتكتب قصائد حلوة. Muna بتكتب قصائد حلوة. Here the verb is conjugated with a ba because it is the first verb that is used in the sentence. Other verbs that conjugate the same way include يدرس, يسمع, يرسم, يدفع, يفتح. Alright, now let's move on to verbs that end in a vowel. We have the verb to start, بدأ, يبدأ. The column on the right is the conjugation without the ba, and the one in the middle is the conjugation with the ba. I start, أنا ببدأ. You singular male start, أنت بتبدأ. You singular female start, أنتِ بتبدي. She starts, هي بتبدأ. He starts, هو بيبدأ. We start, نحن بنبدأ. You start, plural, أنتوا بتبدوا. They start, هم بيبدوا. Or you can conjugate without the ba. أنا أبدأ, أنت تبدأ, أنتِ تبدي, هي تبدأ, هو يبدأ, نحن نبدأ, أنتوا تبدوا, هم يبدوا. Okay, let's look at some examples. Work starts at 8 o'clock. الشغل بيبدأ الساعة 8. الشغل بيبدأ الساعة 8. I want to start early. بدي أبدأ بكير. بدي أبدأ بكير. Some verbs with similar conjugation include ينسى, يقرأ, يبكي. And now we're going to look at verbs that end with a stressed consonant. شد. We have the verb to like, I like. حب, يحب. I like, أنا بحب. You singular masculine, أنت بتحب. You singular feminine. انتي بتحبي. She هي بتحب. He هو بحب. We نحنا بنحب. You انتو بتحبوا. They هم بحبوا. This is the conjugation with the ba. Without it, we have أنا أحب. أنت تحب. أنتي تحبي. هي تحب. هو يحب. نحنا نحب. أنتو تحبوا. هم يحبوا. Alright, let's look at some examples. We like to start on time. نحنا منحب نبدأ على الوقت. نحنا منحب نبدأ على الوقت. I like writing in Arabic. بحب أكتب بالعربي. بحب أكتب بالعربي. Similar verbs include أعد, أرد. And finally, your homework for today is, how do you say in Levantine Arabic, I like to draw? I'll be waiting for your answers. Please leave them in the comments. If you enjoyed this lesson, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. That's all for today. Thank you so much for tuning in. I appreciate it. Make sure you subscribe for more and start speaking Arabic now. Bye bye. مع السلامة.